Good morning, guys. So it's another fun-filled day here at our house. Today is the day after / sort of day of Hurricane Nate. Hurricane Nate actually hit us last night and is headed through our area early this morning. It's been a really kind of boring day. Luckily, we did not lose power. Nothing has really happened. I think we lost some palm fronds, but other than that, we have not really lost anything. I have been at home since yesterday at about 5 o'clock. Tim, however, had to stay at work the whole time during the storm. We had to have one of the managers, so him or I, stay there overnight to make sure that there was someone there this morning just in case like the bridge was closed or we couldn't get there. So Tim stayed overnight and I stayed here with Callie. It is just a gross day now, but he's still there making sure everything's fine. We work at like a resort, so there's just a lot of you know, process to the hurricanes and stuff. So he's been there most of today. And then KADENCE is actually about to come back because her dad came down to visit her this weekend. So she was visiting with him and will be coming back today. We should all be back together as a family sometime this afternoon. But for this morning, it's just been me and Cal. And Cal just woke up from her morning nap, so she's feeling happy and good to go, and I have been like cleaning a little bit. It's been an interesting morning just watching the wind and watching the rain, just hanging out by ourselves. This year has been so crazy for hurricanes, like I cannot deal with it. Like I'm so glad the hurricane season is almost over. I do not want to do this again, it's not fun. Oh, also it is my dad's birthday today, so we will probably be going to see him later today as well. So that's exciting. But right now we're just kind of hanging out. Right, Cal? She's just walking around. KADENCE is back from her dad's. Say hi. Did you have fun? You want to show YouTube what happened to you?
I was going on the go-karts and I fell, and then look at that. It looks like a blob.
It's a blister. She burned herself on the go-karts. Does it hurt?
Yes.
Hey guys. So we just got to my dad's house. So we're about to go give him all of his gifts. Go say what's up to him. Yeah, boo. She fell today, so her cheek's all red.
Hey y'all.
This movie.
Wow, cool. Cartoons.
And then I got you Jaws.
Wow. Have you ever seen this?
Uh-huh.
You have? Cool. A blanket. Unreal. Cool as heck. And it won't smell like LD.
Yet.
Then I got
That paid out. Man, well.
a Woodstock shirt.
Woodstock, unreal. How'd you know about Woodstock? Woo! Navarre Beach. Hey,
Got
I've been there. And socks. Gosh, doggies.
oh, and we got this at Vacavale.
Whoa. The Great Pumpkin. Woohoo! This is too much.
I will help you.
They're all,
Yeah,
now,
okay.
we're gonna open them? That means we're gonna eat one?
Yeah.
Come on.
We are at Cracker Barrel.
Just like me. Yeah.
What's your favorite birthday you've ever had? Or what's like one memory of a birthday that you can think of that's really cool?
The Warlock shows in '89.
What?
Me and Court and Splash. This one's cool too. But that one was really special.
What happened?
The Holy Grail got played.
What's that?
Jerry Garcia and the Grateful Dead at their finest.
It's really cool.
court and splash. Yeah. Hampton. It was good.
I let him take the first bite.
What?
I let Papa take the first bite. Apple?
Love you, Zoe.
Bye.
Thank you again.
Happy birthday.
Woohoo!
You want to give Papa a hug?
Yeah.
Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Hey, Callie. Later. Thanks, babe.
Here, I'll turn mine off.
Love you.
Love y'all. Thanks so much.
Love you.
We'll see you. What's up? So, after we got finished at my dad's house and dropped him off, came back home, put the kids to bed. I did payroll, yay, Sunday night, and then I watched a movie. Now I'm getting ready to go to bed. Cal just woke up randomly, which is kind of weird, but Tim is attempting to get her back to sleep, and I'm about to end the vlog because it doesn't sound like it's going very well. So I will talk to you guys in our next vlog. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch some of our other videos and give us a thumbs up if you liked it, all right? And we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.